Okay, welcome back to another trade recap. This is Thursday's price action. This was not a good day for Augustine Trades. He came into the market bullish initially. Bullish because we had this data wick. So I just wanted to see us go to that. I was very happy with this data wick being a target. And then, okay, let's just go from top to bottom. We had created this, we were trading inside of this daily fair value gap. So the daily actually gave us like it was kind of a bit mixed in lots of ways. And the 4 hourly, it was chopping around a bit. This hadn't been there. This hadn't, just dumped. Actually, no. Actually, did it? Wait a second. No, yeah, sorry, that's the new 4 hour candle. So I was bullish just up to that data wick, really, because I wasn't that bullish. I wasn't crazy bullish. 1 hour, we just fucking ripped down, bro. Like, absolute crazy. Augustine Trades is a bit fucking pissed off right now. But, that's the game, bro. Augustine Trades will come back bigger than and better than ever. He's in a bit of a hole right now. I know price action is really good. I can tell where things are going. And I'll explain exactly what happened in this scenario today. I could have walked away with a winning day, but this is just the game we play. And yeah, so what I wanted was us to come down, maybe hit this hourly gap. I think there was an hourly that I would like to see it hit before going up and taking out that data high, which, I think that was in conjunction with right near London lows. So that was my point of interest. So obviously that didn't happen, and we got a nice little manipulation here. This would have been a good trade, actually. Just the inversion here. Stop loss there, and, target a 1-to-1. Go break even at that hourly or at London lows, whatever, would have been fine. But none of this played out, and we just absolutely tanked down to the bottom, like 900 points, which is pretty crazy. Looking for previous day's low. I think we were. Yeah. We just missed it. But anyway, I just saw bearish PD arrays, bearish gaps getting respected, and bullish gaps just getting fucking displaced through CISDs, all the good stuff you want to see. And so I caught this nice little this little banger here with real small size because, bro, volume was crazy today. Like, bro, look at that. 245 ticks. And like, yeah, anyway, so I took this 1.8 decent trade. Like $190. Could have walked away. Would have been a great day. And, obviously in hindsight, I'm looking back on this and being like, oh, of course, we've just dumped 900 points. And a lot of the time when that happens, it fucking chops around. But then I wait, and I wait, and I fucking wait, and then I go for a short here. Why did I go for a short here? Oh yeah, so I think it hit a 15-minute gap here, which was like, I was like, we've just tapped into this 15-minute gap. This could be our A+ setup to the downside. So we tap into that 15 and I enter. I wanted to see, so we got that IFVG, but I wanted to see it close a full CISD below this candle wick, and we got that. So I entered on that candle, and then bang, just straight to the stop loss. That was annoying. That was a pretty heavy loss because of how high volume was, and I actually sized up on this one. I didn't size up on this one. I sized up on this one. Anywho, then I tried to take a long because I was trying to. This actually today I was terrible. emotion-wise, psychology-wise, I was all over the fucking place. In my head, I'm like, oh, maybe I can, go and recoup all the losses with a nice long play. That didn't fucking work. We just dumped straight to my stop loss. And there wasn't much reason around this play. Like, my only reason really was looking at ES. And on the hourly, the ES was actually kind of ripping. And yeah, that's what happened. So it ripped and it didn't, so it wicked up, so it didn't make this hourly gap. So I'm like, that's cool. That means we're just going to continue higher on Nasdaq. That's not what it means. Don't ever fucking do that ever again. And so I write all this stuff down, all the things I've learned today. I learned a lot. I took a lot of losses, but I learned a lot. And to be honest, I'm only down 420, which is actually not too bad. So yeah, it's, you just got to learn from these things, journal everything, write down your emotions before and after. Like, trading is it's such a fucking weird game, but I love it because it really strips back your fucking psychology and your ego and shows you all your flaws, pretty much. Shows you all your flaws. It's like, it's great. So yeah, I do not want to talk about this anymore, so I'm gonna get off this fucking OBS. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I'll be back. Don't you worry.